In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from ClickUp. Welcome. If you're managing a team and need to control who can access a space, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest, most reliable way to remove someone's access without disrupting your setup. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're using a role with the right permissions for managing space settings, such as an owner, admin, or space manager, so the options we're about to use are available to you. Next, move your cursor over the space where you want to update access. On the right side of the space name, click the three dots to open the space settings menu. When the menu appears, scroll to the More option to reveal additional controls, then choose All Space Settings. We'll be working at the space level here, which is great for tightening access without changing workspace-wide membership. Inside the space settings page, scroll down until you see the default permission section. Just beneath it, look for Make Private and click the button or toggle on the right. Turning a space private surfaces the full list of people who currently have access, so you can refine it with precision. After you click it, you'll see all invited members appear below that control. From here, you can include only the people who should keep access, such as your core team or trusted collaborators. As you add or confirm people, they'll display as small circular avatars beneath the control, giving you a quick visual of who's in. Now for the key action. Hover over the avatar of the person you want to remove. An X appears along with their name for clarity. Click the X to remove them from this space. This revokes their access to the space's views, tasks, and docs, while leaving your content intact. You're not deleting